We're investigating one local charter school network where staff members say they just got word their jobs might be eliminated.
ICANN Schools says 6 of their 8 schools in the state at risk of losing positions, 24 positions to be exact, 10 at the University of Cleveland Preparatory School that's on East 40th. And Dhomonique joins us live in the newsroom with more on this. And Dome, a sensitive topic for employees, but they say it's deeper than this.
Yeah, Frank, staff members tell me it's not a good work environment. They say they feel insecure, and some folks say they're being taken advantage of.
Overworked, underpaid. I just maybe feel like I was lied to.
We spoke with employees who did not want to be identified, but say it's a big problem for all positions, even those who are salaried.
Sometimes they work up to 7 days a week, and for the most part, they only get paid for 5 days.
One employee tells NewsChannel 5 via phone there are some staffers who work upwards of 20 hours extra every week and are not compensated for it.
It really puts you under minimum wage.
According to the Department of Labor, under President Obama's new overtime rule, beginning December 1st, it is illegal to hire someone who makes less than $47,000 and make them work more than 40 hours a week. In a statement from ICANN Schools, it says it does not require any overtime hours to be worked by teachers. This does not apply to building leadership. That being said, 24 positions are at risk of being eliminated.
It's a pretty significant number overall.
ICANN School says the possible cuts are just that, possibilities, saying, quote, this reduction has not been finalized. They do, however, say those who may lose their jobs did get a 30-day notice that it could happen next month.
It's so unfortunate, and it's most unfortunate for the kids.
Now, a source tells me 2 ICANN schools, one in Euclid, one in Akron, were supposed to open this school year. They say families were enrolled, and at the last minute, parents were told the schools were not opening until 2017, that school year. I asked ICANN Schools if this was a factor in the layoffs. They say there is no correlation between the 2 schools closing and the possible layoffs. But a different employee says that is not true, saying they were told enrollment was too low, and that is why the system is making cuts. Guys?